Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem going to be attempted today is number 374, guess number higher or lower. So let's read it through the spec here. We are playing the guess game. The game is as follows. I pick a number from 1 through n, or 1 to n. You have to guess which number I picked. Each time you guess wrong, I will tell you whether the number I picked is higher or lower than your guess. You can call a predefined API, which returns 3 possible results. -1, your guess is higher than the number I picked. 1, your guess is lower than the number I picked. Or 0, your guess is equal to the number I picked. Return the number that I picked. So return the number that I picked. For example, n is equal to 10, pick is equal to 6, the output is equal to 6. N is equal to 1, pick is equal to 1, output is equal to 1. Okay. So example 1, n is equal to 10. Okay. So you have to guess the number that the person picked. Okay. N is between, n is big, n is between, so n is bigger than or equal to 1, but less than or equal to 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. And n is between 1 and 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. So, let's go to my notes here. So previous question, let's make a new page. LeetCode, and this is the name of it here. So, ideas for this. We're going to say, I think the thing that's coming to my head first of all is almost doing like a binary search. So you go bang in the middle of the list and see if the number's 1 or 0. So or 1 or -1. So if the number that you're looking for is bigger, then you go, so let's say this is the middle and this is the end, and the number is bigger, then you want to go to the middle again. And then if it's bigger again, you go to the middle again, middle again, middle again. But then if it's smaller, you then want to go into the middle the other way. So you're always reducing the area that you're looking for that number by like 2, like you're halving the amount that you need, the area you need to look for by 2 every time, every single time you call that guess method. So idea, just gonna copy over this. So what we need to do is if guess returns guess in the middle. If guess returns -1, your guess is higher than the number, so you have to look further back. You need to look to the left hand side of the list. So you want to look then guess. Well, I think we could probably have like a start and end, right? We could have start have two pointers, right? We'll have a start and end pointer, one at the start, one at the end. Guess between start and end the value at the index between start and end. If it returns -1, then guess between the value you just guessed and start. If guess returns 1, then guess between the value you just guessed and end. If guess returns 1, return the guessed number, and that should be 0, sorry, if it returns 0. Keep looping until guess returns 0. Okay. So I'm just going to take these general sort of notes, put them into LeetCode, and start writing this. So start is equal to 0. End is equal to length of, not length of it, we have the length it's n -1. Okay, and then we're gonna do just do 10 times for now, just for iron range. 10. We're gonna guess start start plus end divided by 2, floor divided by 2. We want to run down. And we'll just print this. It doesn't really make sense having the for loop there, because it's just going to print the same thing. This should be commented. Okay, so it prints 1. Okay. I also want to see what this is. So it goes with 4, which isn't the middle between, well, you've got 0, oh, well, it's 1, if I start with 1, it'll probably go to 5, right? Ah, okay. So, it guesses 5, and it sees that, so this is, we're going to do guess underscore result, guess out. We're going to say guess out is equal to this. And then we can say if guess underscore out is equal to -1. We can then say, then guess between the value you just guessed and start. So we'll put a value to this, we'll say guess underscore val is equal to this. Put some brackets around this to make it a bit more obvious. So if guess val is equal to -1, then guess between the value you just guessed and start. So the end is now going to be equal to guess underscore val. If guess underscore out is equal to 1, end is going to be equal to, or we're going to say start is equal to guess underscore val. And then just put this as else if, and then we could probably just say else return guess underscore val. We'll do this 10 times because no, we want to, I want to print these values as we're going along because I don't have the debugger here. So we see that it guesses 5 straight in the middle, and then we get 1 meaning that the guess is lower than the number picked, so you should go higher. So then it picks 7. So then it picks, yeah, then it picks then it picks 7. Yep. That puts 10 and 6, so then it goes if this, else if this. So print guess out. So you can see that you're guessing this value here, this. Let's just replace this. Maybe there's some sort of error with the order of operations. Ah, so there was, wasn't there? We've got this edge case here that doesn't seem to, but we'll just say while, we're going to say while true. Just to fix this edge case, I'm just going to say guess if guess 1 is equal to 0, return 1. Let's run this. Is this going to go to time limit exceeded? Or is there some other... Is the page just frozen again? I'm just going to copy this just in case it's going to lose it. Yep, just looks like it's going in a infinite loop. So for some reason, I don't know what the problem is here. So these test cases are, this was passing a minute ago. It returns null, gets caught in an infinite loop. What if I put this in here? Does that change things? Is there some sort of problem with the order of operations? Yes. So now if I do while true, do this. Is it gonna throw an error? No. Accepted. Submit. Hope for the best. Come on. Ah. Oh, wait, I think that's fine. No, it's not. Let's just add another case in here. And we don't need all these print values. Submit. Hmm. Oh, return 2, sorry, I don't know what was down there. That was an error. Come on, accepted. Let's just try and run through this. We shouldn't need all these test cases. So, it goes from 1 to 3, and the guess is 3. So it guesses between 1 and 3, which is 3. Is that right? Goes between... Guesses between 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2 is going to return... It's going to return 1. Because num is lower. And because of that, the start is now going to be equal to 2, so it's going to guess between 2 and 4. I wonder what would happen if I set start to 0 and end to n and remove these cases here. Would that fix this? I'm just going to say for I in range 10 steps should be enough for most of these. Okay, so this passes, this passes, this doesn't. I'm going to print both guess underscore val and guess underscore out. So it's lower, so it goes to 7, then it says it's higher, so it goes back to 6, and then it's right. With this one, it guesses 0, and it says it's higher, so it goes to 0 again, it says it's higher, blah blah blah, so it gets stuck in an infinite loop. This test case and passes. This doesn't. Maybe we say like n plus 1 and minus 1. I'm not really sure what I'm doing here now. Oh, all the test cases passed now. Maybe that was it. Let's just submit. Wait, no. Oh, so I think it's now just removing this. So it's while true. Submit. I don't want to keep submitting if these are going to be wrong. Accepted. Yes. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, leave a comment. Or if you had some other solution that was better than this one, or just different, please leave a comment. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.